Good morning everyone, I'm Lavanya from Lexis and Company working as an intern. Today I'll be talking about what is the procedure to file for the transfer petition. Now procedure according to the CPC 1908 can be filed by a person seeking transfer of the case from one court to another by giving an application supported by an affidavit stating the grounds of transfer. According to section 22, when an application of transfer is made by the defendant, then the defendant must give notice of such application to the other side. And according to section 24, when an application of transfer is made by any party, a notice must be given by the court to the opposite party before making an order of transfer. Procedure according to CRPC 1973. An affidavit in support of an application stating the grounds of transfer must be given to the court by the party seeking transfer, and that the affidavit should be in accordance with the provisions of 297 of the Code. According to section 407 clause 4, when an application of transfer is made by the accused person, the High Court may direct him to execute a bond with or without sureties for the payment of any compensation which the High Court may award according to section 7 of clause 7 of section 407. According to subsection 5 of 407, every accused person who is making an application of transfer shall give notice to the public prosecutor in writing together with a copy of the grounds on which it is made. Now, some pointers which must be included. First is the grounds of transfer. If the transfer petition where a party is willing to transfer his case from one court to another court must mention the grounds for transfer, and they must be valid in nature. Second, notice, which plays a very important role. Third is the affidavit. An affidavit must be attached with the application of transfer stating the grounds on which the party is seeking the transfer, according to the section 407 subsection 1. And the main object of this transfer petition is to ensure the justice of both the parties and protecting the interest of both the parties.